This is a margarita glass. This is also a margarita glass. They're from the same brand, Libbey. This is one of your classic margarita glasses, and this one is modern, a little more sleeker. Your cocktail glasses tell your story. These ones I love serving to my guests. I think it's that classic margarita shape. Love it so much. Had these for 11 years, and in those 11 years, this came in a set of 6, we've lost 1 to user error. These, I saw these, I thought they were gorgeous. They're more modern take on a margarita glass. They're beautiful. They're both glass, dishwasher safe. I got these in the mail yesterday, set of 6, threw them in the dishwasher because let's be honest, if I'm buying something, it has to be dishwasher safe. And so here is about the same liquid that you're gonna use in a margarita. I'm using water, and then I use a shot of lime juice for that realistic effect. So I wanna show you what this looks like in each glass. I'm filling up these glasses to the top with ice, about 4 ice cubes in this one. And so when you are serving your margaritas, this looks so nice. Look at that. Remember, these ice cubes are a little too big for the glass. I'm gonna do, I'll probably do 2 ice cubes for now, just to see what it looks like. Now again, you're gonna be putting your margarita through a cocktail shaker, so it should get extra cold through that. But look at this. 2 different glasses. This one is obviously shorter, but this is how the same amount of liquid looks in each glass. I love these glasses so much. I feel like when I'm holding these, I'm transported to some tropical paradise in like an elevated situation. These are sexy. These are so nice. They're so sleek. These would be great for frozen drinks, frozen cocktails, or mocktails, whatever you want to do. Or if you want to be fancy, you just drink water out of these, Oh, for a second I forgot these were not actual margaritas. It's just lime water. I can't wait to put these to use in my next party.